you doing? My name's Ray. I'm with Holley Performance.
Glad to meet you, Ray. My name's Dan Rockwell. It's a 1968. It's the original 4-speed bucket seat car. It was a 302 4-barrel car when it was new, and it now has a small block. It's a World Products 427 stroker motor. So it's 576 horsepower and 575 foot-pounds of torque.
All in the small block package.
Yeah, 350 rear end, strange housing, high energy axles, subframe connectors, 10-to-1 compression. It's a good street car, behaves well, runs on pump gas, and has all the power you want to drive.
I bet. Cyclone's a very rare car, right?
Yeah, there's very few of them left around.
So did you have this car originally, or is there a story
I've had the car
behind it?
about 10 years.
10 years?
A fella that worked with me, his brother-in-law had the car, and due to health reasons had to give the car up. They knew I was a big Ford guy, and I ended up with the car and have made improvements the whole time I've had it. And I really like this car because it's so different, you don't see them.
A lot of people get them confused for a Torino, I'd say.
Right. To get a lot of people think it is a Torino. Yeah, until they actually come and look. Very low numbers compared to Torinos.
That's right.
Torinos built about 28,000. These were less than 7,000. And a lot of them got used up for NASCAR.
Exactly.
So it's a fairly rare car.
So tell me, have you been into hot rodding your whole life?
Yeah, since I was about 16.
16 and just had the bug and
one of the fastest cars I ever had. I had a 66 Super Sport Chevelle with a 396 375. So been into racing and that, but got more time now and a little more resources.
Have you been coming to the Holley Hot Rod reunion for long?
10 years.
10 years?
Yeah. We live south of Pittsburgh. Normally we drive, but we had one more participant this year, so we didn't have enough room to carry everything in the car, so we trailered the car this year.
Okay, but normally drive it, huh?
Yeah. Little top fuel action there.
That definitely wakes up the neighborhood right there.
Definitely does.